Today I want to talk about content and events, obviously. We've had COVID and now we have recession or not, who knows. And so, our events back, our conferences back, our exhibitions back, our festivals back, outdoor, everything's kind of a bit different in terms of travel. We hear that some things are back and some things aren't. Our small meetings back. I think, Zoom and Teams have certainly changed the way we do a lot of things. One thing we do know, though, is that big events are coming back. They're back in force. And whilst people perhaps don't want to commute into work every day, they are happy to make an exception to go to a big event, a big festival, a big conference, a big exhibition, if those things are going to provide value. So what that means now is that for those events organisers, we're perhaps not getting people, we're not running the same kind of series of events, the same series of workshops, but we are having big kind of conferences and exhibitions. So how do we create consistent engagement throughout the year? And one thing that we can do, obviously, is film conferences and live stream them, and exhibitions and things like that. And we can live stream it, but we can do more than that. So over the next few months, we're going to be coming up with lots of different ways where lots of different methods to kind of capture as much content as possible at the events that we do have. I think that's a really good starting point. The first thing that we're doing is we're creating StudioPOP. So a pop-up studio for people to just pop in, and we can have interviews there. You can bring in your keynote speakers after their presentations. People who are exhibiting or visitors can come in and talk about their experiences. And it's just a nice branded place to kind of host all of that filming and create some good kind of high quality branded content to extend the longevity of your event.